I'm putting on the lights right now because you're pretty super scared.
Everybody's all recording it and shit. Damn, it's a brutal ass. Dude, look at the car.
What car? Oh, where?
The car, the front of the car's all fucking broken and shit.
I can't even see what the fuck you're talking about.
That red car. Right next to it.
No, I don't know.
Or the cars, yeah, you see the cars?
Yeah.
They're all broken in the front. Dang.
What'd you do if it exploded again?
I'd be scared. Oh, there's two houses exploded.
See that house right there was there and exploded? That one's catching on fire from the explosion.
I hope there's nobody in those houses.
Me too. That's sad because like you know what I told you how your brother left the propane on in the house. That's what would have happened to the house. If I would have lit a cigarette or something, like that's what would have happened. Is the house would have exploded just like that because the propane was in the house so much.
That's probably what happened.
Channel 3 over here. Damn, look how far all the things went, Marty. All the stuff, the debris.
Oh my god. Look, the fucking debris right in front of us.
Yeah, I know.
I can tell you how far we live and we heard it.
Yeah, we live down on Princeton, like way down, and we were shook from the.
By the Walmart.
Oh wow.
And my whole screen was just like, it just shook the sliding doors.
Damn. I'm gonna show this to my daddy. I'm gonna be like,
Yeah, I'm gonna show. I'm gonna call my mom. And be like, Mom, guess what we just fucking happened.
dude, that literally like woke me up. I won't be able to go back to sleep.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that.
Bro, that's what we heard was the other car.
Oh.
Hey, that fire's right next to that truck. That fire's gonna.
Fuck
Yeah,
that.
that fire's right next to that truck.
There's gonna be another boom. There's gonna be another boom. Oh shit, that fire's spreading a bit. What the hell?
Make sure you keep recording. I want to make sure if that truck explodes, I want to have it recorded.
Don't worry, I got this. Unless my phone like runs out of memory. Then I'm fucking. Oh shit!
They're putting the fire out. They're putting the fire out, dude.
Yeah, look at the fucking cloud.
And this is why I would never be a firefighter because the chance of death is so high.
Yeah.
I mean, they do some nice, I have respect for firefighters more than anybody because they fucking, when shit's about to explode and they're like, fuck this, I'm a boss, and they go in there with a fucking axe and just save motherfuckers.
I hope it doesn't spread like to the next house.
No, they already got, it's already done. They're gonna put that shit out.
That car is like the alarm is going off.
You look over in this house, it fucking blew some shit off on this house too. I wonder what it was like for the people that were like right next door.
No.
Oh my god, I know, right?
Like if the people that lived like right here, I guarantee they were like freaking out. Probably thought a nuke had gone on Jericho. And the TV show.
I was over there by where Gators is, and you saw the explosion over there.
Where?
Gators on this Ready.
Oh yeah? Yeah, we were on Princeton right down here, and we boom, me and Corey, we were like,
South is gone. That's the one blew up.
Yeah, that's
that
when
one
it's
started,
gone.
and the one behind it's now on fire.
what?
Yeah, they're losing. Got 3 to 4 houses already.
I guarantee it was propane. Somebody left the propane on and lit something.
Oh shit.
That much
Or a
exploded.
propane tank. Because I mean, look, the debris all the way out here. There had to be some kind of gas that built up.
Well, it should be a hot water heater went off and the
Oh,
gas,
yeah.
gas line.
Electric fire from there.
When it ignited again.
I know. I'm from Warsaw, so like you know, I've seen this before from meth labs.
Yeah,
Meth
I
labs
have too.
explode like that. Yeah. I'm just too curious. I can't hear something like that.
Corey.
Got gas leaking. Supposed to turn the utilities off, dummy. That's your first job is to do a firefighter.
I think this is about good, right?
Folks, get back. There's still gas. Back up.
We're like the only ones
I always look at the people out here, but you know, I always like hate those people who just like want to, but like
They're
I'm not
just
saying
keeping you
fucking
safe.
Yeah, no, I mean like the people who like stay, you know what I mean, get all close and shit. Like obviously they're in like a fuck ton of danger. This is hanging out.
Sorry. The car is probably leaking gas.
Hmm?
That car is probably
No,
leaking gas.
no, I mean like the gas line is still like on.
Oh.
Like they haven't got the utility people here to turn the gas off from that section. So like they're gonna cut all the gas from this section over here too.
Ooh. Sucks for all these people.
Damn, I wish I had a fucking cigarette.
Go light it on the fire. It's just like, oh, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just coming over here to light my cigarette. Stuff popping and shit.
See here, that is the fire alarms from the house next to it. Because like it's starting to catch on to this third house. I think, or is that? I don't know if that's that one.
No,
or
it's the awning.
It's the
from
awning
other
from
one.
the okay.
Second one.
That's fucking dirty.
This old man. He won't fucking back out.
I'm not gonna call fuck that.
Call who?
My parents. Probably see my dad would get pissed off like, what the fuck you calling me over there? My mom would love to know though.
She's probably already watching the news.
Oh yeah. Well, no, I doubt it.
You
It's
doubt
just,
they
like,
heard it or what?
Fucking like.
These fucking lights are hurting my head. They're hurting my eyes.
Come on. They're coming out of the house right now.
Who?
Bunch of bosses. They're just walking up like I'm like, exploding house? We'll walk into the house already. Anyways.
Look at all these cops, all the fire hydrants. Fire trucks.